just had an accident here with a battery. You can see all the smoke here on my office, and a little one cell 3.7 3.7 volt battery just nearly exploded in my hand. I noticed that it was puffing up after I charged it, and kind of scared of picking it up, but this is what's left, and it's still like sparkling. Jesus, this is what's left of a JJRC 3.7 volt 150 milliamp hour battery that for some reason that I don't know why, because it's quite well, relatively recent. I bought it like a month ago. I didn't use it that much, about 20 times more or less that I charged it, and yesterday I flown it on my Eachine E010 and it was working perfectly. Then I put it to charge, and when I noticed it was kind of puffing up, I took it out of the charger and it just started hissing. And when I noticed there was a little bit of smoke coming, I dropped it to the floor and it kind of exploded. You can see as the floor is a little bit charged, and it kind of leaked this brown acid or something. I don't know. Man, this is just to show you, please be careful charging your batteries. I'm definitely buying one of those safety bags now, because I don't want this to happen inside my bag or on the quad, or even worse, on my hands. So guys, please be careful with your batteries. These things are ready to rock, ready to explode. Jesus.